In front of me is Xiaomi 13 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder on this device. First of all, you need to locate Sound Recorder app. It should be in Tools folder. When you find it, click on it. Now select Allow in the pop-ups and tap on this red button to start your recording. Then select while using the app or only this time. As you can see, recording is on. If you want to pause it or unpause it, select this left button. If you wish to add a bookmark, click on the right one. And to end it and save it on the middle one. As you can see, my recording was successfully created. You can play it by clicking on it. If you wish to rename it, hold it, select rename at the top and type in wherever you wish to. Save your name by clicking on OK. Lastly, to get rid of your recording, hold it again, but this time select Delete and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!